birds. Said who's X to be the one to represent what's next.
Oh, oil.
Alright guys, welcome back to Second on Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling.
Eating.
Yeah, Judah is always eating. So we're at this place called Firewater. In fact, this was supposed to be one of the very first videos that I did when I went with my, for those of the people who watch Soai vlogs a lot from the start to the end, my mom, my sister and I came to Ocho for the very first time. Firewater was on the tables, but we couldn't find it. As you guys might have seen in us coming down, it was just like... So like there's a lot of you know, you pretty much come off the main road and you start going into like a little community and stuff like that. Now how we heard about it is a treehouse B&B that we were at. The owner came up last night and we were talking and then he said to us that, yo, have you tried Firewater? And we were like, yo, I've heard of it. And boom, he's like, yo, it's in the backyard of where we are. So if you try the treehouse, then you know Firewater is about a 5-minute drive. And the only reason it's a 5-minute drive is because coming down there's a lot of bumps and roads. But anyway, funny thing is the guy came out with his lighter just now. He was like, yo, I'm ready. You know, so like, yeah, we found the place. I'll tell you the cost of it. What else? All right, before, oh, wow. Forgot to show you guys this bling bling. So like last night we went out to Bettino's. It's an Italian restaurant last night and Judah, she engaged me. She proposed to me. I do. I like it.
You're welcome.
I'm joking. This is my my what you call it again? Anniversary gift. Of course we didn't video that because for me personally some things I don't feel up to speed with videoing. So like I didn't want to be in that time and that moment to be walking around with a camera. But to give you the update, Bettino's was pretty good, pretty affordable, especially if you order from the specials. They do weddings there and all those great stuff. But what I really wanted to mention to you guys is that Firewater, the whole special thing about it is that they said that the water is healing. The reason why the water can be lit on fire is because there is sulphur in there. That's as much as I know. When we go there, we can ask the guys more questions and you can inform us more. But it's supposed to be healing waters and yeah, that's the vibe. After this video, we should be trying to go to Spanish Bridge.
I actually really don't feel up to it.
Okay, so she's not up to feeling to Spanish Bridge, so we're just gonna go to Firewater and that could be another day. All right. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. You're a good boy. Baby, now put that again.
Yeah. I need to mess up your hand. Baby, wrap the ice cream.
Hey. Hey. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. I should help you guys to become more familiar with the place. It's an open lot with an ackee tree in there. And then when you come in, you can see like some Canadian sign looking thing. You know, I don't miss it. You see me? Yeah, there goes the Canadian flag over there in red, blue, and red. So you can't miss it whenever you decide to come here. All right, let's see. So which part is a famous Firewater there? You in there, so? What I'm look on that there? Why bikini chick? Ah, so he has pigeons in here. Ooh, wow, you could smell the chicken. Guinea chick or something like that. Or guinea hen. Facts. Alright. So here is the famous Firewater. Yo, dog, damn good. Wow, anyway.
Oh. Wow.
Water come up warm, salt and bitter right here from water for the earth.
People drink it?
Yeah, good for your aches and pain, circulation, so you know.
You can't let me get this out of a cold.
Well, you have to like drink 3 and full from right here. From here. That's how you can fire.
Oh, wait.
Oh shit. Look at that. Whoa. Hey, did you see that? That's fire water. Wow. That's dope. Huh. So will it continue to blaze up?
Yeah man, if the window on it burn.
Constantly?
Yeah. And you can sit down in the water and fire on top of you and get no burn. Yeah man.
Okay.
Sit down in that.
Yeah, man, I go sit down tonight, man. So just to give you the price, he said $4,000 for 30 minutes, 8,000 for massage as well. Okay, and that's 4,000 per person. Exactly. He did say that a lot of persons come in here and get healed from, like, you know, eczema, allergies, sunburns,
cataracts on the eyes,
stress.
Any problem you have and come to fire water, it gets out of it brand new, springing like a chicken. People came here to drink this water and tell me that they did have cancer, but after they go back to the doctor cannot find their complaint.
You did mention that you can drink the water.
Yeah man, you can come and have like 3 sips of it from right here.
Wow. And you don't get burnt while you're in there. Wow. That's amazing. Alright.
So guys, Steven's about to go in.
Hey, I want me up enough. Let me know. Alright. Alright, that's all. Yo, this is intense. Alright, so I'm gonna try to play with this fire.
Water bending.
Like, you can know it's fire, you can feel the heat, but yeah, it doesn't burn.
Is the water getting warmer because of it or not?
Like where if I put my knee up here, it gets a bit warmer but not intense. It's good. I would definitely recommend you guys to come here, especially if you like what you call like a jacuzzi. You know, it does have that jacuzzi feel. He did mention that at certain times that you come here is a really long wait, and I do believe it, because I have seen videos where, you know, persons come here and then walk that like a healing, you know. Maybe not heavily marketed, you know, but that's the best times to do things when you travel. You have to go places where they don't become like overpopulated by tourists, so that way you get the chance to experience it. So it's a vibe, I like it. As I said, into that, no problem. Wow, amazing. Alright, so just did my little hot spring. I was in there for like 10 minutes the most. Yeah, wash off the bad mind, wash off the sadness, you know, wash off the negativity, you get what I say. But I really did it for the whole point that I want to go to Japan one day, and I see where in Japan they have hot springs, you know, and this is something similar, maybe not as hot, but there's healing properties to it. Do I believe in them? I would say 70-30. There's a high possibility that it does do something good, but it's also good just to travel to these places and then show you guys, you know, maybe if you're interested in something like this, something healing, and that's great. A lot of persons forget or fail to understand that Jamaica is not just a tourist destination, it's actually a rejuvenating destination. It's one of those countries where you can actually go to. If you go to the right spots, you can just clear your mind and have a good type of, what we call meditation, a good vibration, you feel me? So it's one of those places, if you're interested in something like that, that's holistic. And yeah, let's go figure how much I owe. Alright, so just paid for it just now. If you're interested in how much I paid $1,500 to do it, and that's because I was in there for about 10 minutes, and I did say to him like, yo, I am not going to be sitting in there for a whole 30 minutes, sir. So he was like, well, you know, just use your discretion, stay as long as whatever. Then when I went there, we did the typical Jamaican talk, which is do what I can, you know, or this, you know, which means like whatever you can afford to give, you feel me? So using my discretion, $1,500, I think that was fair, and he was okay with it. So we are about to head home back into Kingston, you know, that hot place. And yeah, until I see you guys again soon. I don't know if I'm gonna end the vlog here or not, but if you don't see me again, then the vlog is ended.